Okay.
200 plus 108.25 x equals y.
Okay. I'll put it over there. Nice. In function notation, we might have done this instead of the y. It means the same thing. It's just another way of expressing the situation. Independent and dependent. Jerry, what's independent and dependent?
The dependent is the yen that you have because it depends on how many dollars you bring.
And so independent is dollars. All right. Using the graph function, we go first to y equals. All right. I already have it in there. Good. The second thing you need to do is you need to go table set. We started at 0. I said, wow, we're going from 100 to 500 to 1250. I put a unit for my table of 50. So now I'm going to go second table. All right. Now I need to scroll through that table to find the 100 in the X column, the 500 in the X column, and 1250. Chris Bernal, what do we get for 100? 1,025. Do we agree with him?
No, that's not right. He said it wrong.
Okay, sorry. There we go. Easy. All right. How about 500? If I'm looking at my calculator, it's not in the window, but I keep going down. Myra, what do you get for 500? Noodle, you need to find yourself a spot. Okay, and we keep going, and we find. I know some people didn't put in 50, and it was taking them a long time to scroll. You can change your unit if you're only going by 1s or 50s. You got to go back to table set, put a bigger unit to change by each time, and press enter. So the 1250 looks like 135,513. Do you agree? Is this what you guys found?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
No, we got 1,355,12.5.
Okay. So mine is rounded. I didn't go by 50 cents. Okay. But when I'm looking at an X of 1250, this is what I have for the Y. Okay, now, when you're looking for yen, we're looking in the Y column. That's what our function tells us. So 21850, I'm way too big. So let's go over to the Y column. Let's go up again. Oh, rats. So maybe I need to go up in X's to find it because it jumped. Oh, rats, there it is. 21850 is right here. And again, once they switch to yen, they're in the Y column. That's a function answer. And so what do you see for X at that point? 21850. What's the corresponding X? 200. And then 60,820. Let's see, I'm finding that in Y. This is, I think, as close to 60,000 as I can get. It's 550. At 600, it jumps significantly. So I'm going to say 556 or something like that. I like that. That was the table feature. Next, we were supposed to use the value feature. The value feature has the same Y equals, so we don't have to start over there, but getting that window is tricky. Okay, if I'm going to get a window for this, I need to look at my smallest amount of dollars for the X's, so that would be 0. The biggest amount of dollars here I see is 2,500, so 2,500. I'm going to go from 0 to 2,500. I'm going to either go by 100s or 50s. I'll make that go by 100s. Now, for the yen, the smallest amount of yen would be 200. That's what every kid had, even if they weren't bringing money. And then I know the exchange rate for yen is about 100 times. It's 108 yen per dollar. So if I'm saying a max of 2,500, I'm going to go 2,500 and then 2 more zeros. Now for scale, I'm going to also do 100. I'm making some significant runs. You need to think in the X's for the dollars, smallest and largest, and in the Y's for the yen, smallest and largest. I know the window is the hard part here. To use the value feature, we go second calc. And value is the first option, so I'm going to push 1. First thing that happens is I see the line and then I get that blinky X. I punch in 200, it gives me a Y. I go back, second calc, value feature. This time I'm putting in 600. Check your answers. Is this what you got for 600? Okay. Andy, what'd you get for 1,000?
For 1,000, hold on, 1,000 I got 108, 450.
That sounds like in the right ballpark, so let's try it out. 1,000. Good, we match Andy. 108, 450. Chris V, what do you get for 2,500? 100? 825. He's a soft speaker, but I think that's what he said. Imogen, do you agree with Chris V? Okay, so your info matched. Again, the value feature you find by going second calc, and one of the hardest things with the value and with the next one is getting the right window. But now we're going to use intersect method. The way intersect method is we put this in as a y2. Alright, so I'm going back to y1. I have that function as a start. But now I put this in as a y2 because that's what the function equals at that point. 21850. Push second calc. And then where is intersect at? What number do I need to do for intersect? 5. It has you do that first curve, second curve guess. And it says 21850 is when X equals 200 or dollars equals 200. Okay? You'll have to back it back up, second calc, and start over. Intersect, Christian, what number do I push for the intersect? 5. You go enter for the first curve, enter for the second curve, enter for the guess. Oh, I didn't change. What did I do wrong? I got to go back to this and change my Y2. Y1's going to say the same, but right now I need to put this in for Y2. 14273. Okay, now second calc. 5 for intersect. Enter, enter, enter. And for that 14273 is again the Y. Now we're looking at the X for the answer. This is 13. Is it $130? Is that what you're seeing? $130 and 0.0042462. So again, that makes sense because this 21,000 is $200. So 14,000 should be something less than that. Oh my gosh, this is tiny compared to these two. Let's see what happens. Y2. Change my Y2, clear that one, 4530. Second calc, intersect, enter, oh wait, it doesn't intersect. Okay, why does it not intersect? And or it's too low. Did you find a number where it fits? I bet you that number is too small. Look, 14,000 is 130. 21,000. Oh, you guys got a 40? So what am I not doing? Let's double check. Clear, mode, clear. Oh, what's happening? Mode, clear, zoom. I'm not getting anything out of my calculator. Turn it off. And turn it back on. Let's try this. So do I have to make my window? Or let's see. Zoom 0. Enter. I'm confusing it, huh? On. Zoom 0. Oh, there it is, way down low. So second calc, intersect, enter, guess. $40. That's what you guys were trying to tell me all along. Okay. Average meal in Tokyo costs between 1,000 and 3,000 yen. How much money would you need to bring to cover a meal of 15,000 yen? Okay, wait a minute. Is this an X or a Y? That's a Y. Do we want to use table, intersect, or value?
Value.
You like value?
No, I don't. Oh, I do like value.
Table. I hear one table, I hear one value. Let's try table. Second table. Oh, that's the wrong one. Second table. Okay. We're looking for 1,500. So, let's see. Bring it back down. I need to go smaller. Oh, wait. Now, I jump all the way from 200 to 5,000 here because of my units. Let's change the table a little bit. Table set. Instead of going by 50s, let's go by 10s. Push enter. Second table. Now, what did I need? 1,500. That's going to be between here and here. So how much money do we think?
I put $14.
Yeah, somewhere between 10 and 20. So $14 or $15. All right. Make sure everybody's name is on it. That's in your group. I need one person to bring up the paper and the calculator. The paper and the calculator.